guys, welcome to another episode. Did you enjoy the intro? It's actually a real book that's been literally handed down in my family from my great-grandma to my grandma and then to my mom. It has like thousands of recipes and also all those like handwritten recipes, and actually the book broke down and this is a new cover that was made for it. Yeah, so today we're gonna try a new cake. Last cake was really easy to make and turned out great. This one is supposedly much harder, although it looks much simpler as a final product. But you have to do something like break the whites of the eggs into snow, and to be honest, I have absolutely no idea what that even means. By the way, I noticed in my analytics that most of you watching are not actually subscribed to the channel, and if you just go ahead and click subscribe below, helps me a lot to reach more people and it's gonna be much appreciated. Let's go ahead, see what we need and dive straight in. Here are the ingredients: 4 eggs, about 400 grams of flour, 250 grams of sugar, some raw nuts, vanilla, some baking powder, some butter, about 150 grams, and some cocoa. Start breaking the butter. Then add some powdered sugar to it and break it good until it's pure white. Sift through the flour at least a couple of times and then add the baking powder. Separate 4 yolks and whites from the eggs and then start adding the yolks, some flour and some water until you get a pretty even mixture. Break the egg whites to snow and add them to our mix. Hand stir that until it's even and then separate about a third of it into a separate cup. Put some cocoa in it and stir it well as well. Then it's time to prepare our baking form. Put some butter, put some flour and then some sugar. Then add half of the non-cocoa mixture, then all the mixture with the cocoa in it and the rest of the original mix. Gonna put in some almonds as well and bake it at about 180 to 200 degrees. It rose pretty much actually, and now that it's ready, it looks pretty yummy. Let's take it out of the form, put in some powdered sugar to make it look nicer. And when it's cooled down, it's time to cut a few pieces out and take a bite. Gotta say, it tastes pretty good. Okay, that was it for today. I really hope you enjoyed the recipe and enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you found it entertaining and useful. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and maybe even punch that bell icon to receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Till then, try to get enough sunshine, go out on the balcony, enjoy coffee. See you next time.